Senator Ping Lacson for President, Senate President Tito Sotto for Vice President. There's a big possibility the two senators will run together in the 2022 presidential elections, according to a reliable source of Abante. The source said the Senate's macho bloc wants a veteran politicos to run against the candidates of the administration. The members of the Senate's macho bloc are Sotto Lacson, Senator Grace Poe, and Senator Lito Lapid. The Lacson-Sotto tandem will also have the support of former Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile, DITC Secretary Gringo Honasan, and Antique Representative Loren Legarda. Sotto, Poe, Lapid, and Legarda are members of the NPC or the Nationalist People's Coalition. Lacson and Honasan have no political affiliations, but they are solid allies of Sotto in the Senate. Enrile, on the other hand, is a member of UNA or the United Nationalist Alliance. Abante's source added, there's a possibility that Poe will be the campaign manager. If the Lacson-Sotto tandem pushes through, Abante's source said, the Liberal Party will have no choice but to endorse them if Vice President Leni Robredo doesn't run for president. Abante sought Sotto's confirmation. While Lacson gave this statement on Twitter.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.